Okay, so I am famished, I am starving, so I want to start bringing new recipes to you guys because I love to cook. When I see something, I'm like, oh my gosh, I want to try it. So I tried out the Turkish eggs, fantastic. So I want to try out this French toast that I've been seeing on my feed. And then also I will come on here and show you Nigerian recipes as well. So let's get into it. Right now I want to make French toast. All right. Okay, so these are the ingredients to make French toast: cinnamon, brioche bread, butter, 1 egg, sugar, and milk. All right, let's get into it. Okay, the reason why I'm using 1 egg because I'm just making it for me. If I was making it for like my daughter, then I'll use 2. But I'm just using 1 egg, but the recipe does call for 2 eggs. All right. Okay, mix all the ingredients, which is cinnamon, a pinch of salt, 1 egg, and milk, and sugar, a teaspoon of sugar. Okay, this is a tablespoon of butter. You can add a little bit more if you want. The bread is, make sure you like put it in, bathe it. Make sure you let the bread soak up all the egg, the batter. Make sure you let it soak it up. And then we're going to put it on our hot pan. Okay, I'm gonna give it a turn. Almost done. Yummy. And you want to make sure that your heat is on low, and also cook it or bake it for 7.5 minutes on each side. All right, almost done. Okay, our brioche French toast is done. So let's start topping it off with some fruits and syrup. Okay, you definitely need to check out this Turkish eggs. Like make it today. They're so fantastic. So I had blood orange sparkling, I think lemonade or something like that. You need to try this Turkish eggs. So good. Like this, oh my gosh, perfection. Over my feed. It is nicely when it's over my feed. Let me tell you, it is so good, and it's just like few ingredients. All you need is like yogurt, some like pepper. I use hot chili paste that I got from Asian market, garlic, dill. You can use parsley. I've seen parsley as well. Poached egg. With the poached egg, you want to boil the water, then lower the heat, like make it simmer. Because you want it to, like the poached egg, you want it to cook slowly. And then put a little bit of vinegar. It doesn't taste like vinegar, the eggs. Just a little bit of vinegar, not too much. Like maybe 1 tablespoon, not tablespoon, just a little bit. Just a tiny bit, tablespoon, teaspoon, it's your preference. You won't taste the vinegar. And then put the egg in a separate bowl. If you want to do 2 or 3 eggs, I did 3. And then pour it in the pan, and then turn off the heat and let it cook for like 4 minutes. You will have fantastic poached eggs. I kid you not. And the Greek sauce, or not Greek sauce, the yogurt. So it's going to be, I use non-fat Greek yogurt. And then I put garlic, and I put dill, and then I put black pepper and sea salt, Himalayan pink sea salt, pink salt, right? I think it's pink salt. And then I mix that, and then the chili sauce is butter and, you know, something hot like cayenne pepper, paprika, or hot pepper, or the chili paste that I use, and just let that, you know, bake or simmer just like a minute or so, and pour it or drizzle over your yogurt. Get some bread, toast it. You don't need a baguette, but you want something that is like a little bit hard, like a baguette, and just toast it and give it a good crunch. It's delicious, let me tell you. It is good. Okay, we got the eggs, we got the boiling water. Let's get into it. Yum. Okay, I made my salad, but I just wanted a high protein salad. Egg, like this is Black Forest ham, lettuce, cashew. I have apples in there as well, cucumbers and onions, and jalapeno because I like my salad spicy. And yeah, that is my lunch or breakfast, whichever one. Yummy.